Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review and overview Prime Minister Narendra Modi's SCO China visit. And let's take the stock of the situation and review and overview the reactions of the US. How Trump's humiliation of Indian Prime Minister Modi pushed Modi into arms of Putin and Xi Jinping. From the heady days of the Howdy Modi event, the souring of relations with his true friend Mr. Trump had left the Indian leader seething. The blossoming relationship between Donald Trump and India's Prime Minister Modi has abruptly turned sour after the Howdy Modi event in Houston and the Mega Namaste Trump show in Ahmedabad, with a stadium packed with over 100,000 people to welcome the US President and his family. The humiliation by his two friends has left the Indian leader seething. For over a decade, Mr. Modi has meticulously crafted his image as a global leader. Rubbing shoulders with hugging world leaders, he now finds himself humiliated by the planet's most powerful man. The opposition parties have wasted no time in rubbing salt into that wound. Egging Mr. Modi to retaliate in the national interest, but so far he has maintained silence. The indignity began in May after the 4-day conflict between India and Pakistan. Mr. Trump announced on social media that he had brokered a ceasefire between two nuclear-armed arch rivals that was spiraling. This was even before the ceasefire was put in place by the leader of both countries. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif instantly thanked the US President for bringing peace to the region and went on to nominate him for the Nobel Peace Prize. Both countries are now exploring crypto and mining deals. Mr. Modi has remained silent. His government instead credited its military for forcing Pakistan to concede, even as Mr. Trump has spoken of his intervention over 30 times now. Then came the swift punishment of an extra 25% tariff levied on India for buying discounted Russian crude oil, taking the total duty to 50%, one of the highest in the world. The US government justified its action as a national security concern, that is, fueling the war in Ukraine, and so applied aggressive economic leverage. Mr. Trump's trade advisor, Peter Navarro, described the Russia-Ukraine conflict as Modi war and said the road to peace runs right through New Delhi. India can get 25% off tomorrow if it stops buying Russian oil, he added. Though China is the largest buyer of Russian oil, it has been left untouched. India says it buys cheap Russian crude for its own energy security and is now pushing for a Swadeshi mantra or self-reliance, reducing the burden of import. Mr. Modi's visit to China in his first in 7 years and the first since deadly clashes in May 2020 between soldiers of both militaries in which 20 Indian soldiers lost their lives. The relations went into freeze. The two Asian giants share over 2,000 miles of border, much demarcated and wide unresolved land dispute. The SCO meeting and bilaterals between Mr. Modi, President Xi and Russian President Vladimir. The SCO meeting and bilaterals between Mr. Modi, President Xi and Russian President Vladimir Putin will be analyzed in minute detail, but intense scrutiny will also be on the reaction of the US President. Thank you.